Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss angle sum property of a quadrilateral of class 9 math. So in first part video, we have already explained what is a quadrilateral and term related to quadrilateral. Okay. But in this video, I am going to discuss angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay, this is our topic. So dear children, the sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. The sum of an angle angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, so dear children, the sum of an angle of a quadrilateral is 360. This can be verified by using a quadrilateral dividing the diagonal into triangles. Okay, so let us see how we prove the sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So first, drawing a quadrilateral. Okay, ABC. Let us consider a quadrilateral ABCD and diagonal AC divided into triangle. Then, what is the sum of triangle ABC? As we know. Okay, here also write angle A and C, a quadrilateral divided in two parts. Okay, this is angle 1 and this is 2, and here this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Okay, so as we know, what is the sum of angle 1? Means angle 2P and 3 in triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, angle 2 plus angle B plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Okay, say this is equation 1. And similarly, the sum of angle 1, B and 4. Okay, in triangle ACD, sum of angle 1 plus angle D plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Okay, because as you know, the sum of angle of a triangle is 380 degree. So now AD equation 1 plus 2. Okay, so this is angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle B plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle D. This side is 360 degree, 180 plus 180. Okay, so now combining angle 1 and 2, because angle 1 and 2 after combining give whole angle A. So we are combining angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, next this is angle B whole angle, and here combining angle 3 and 4. So write angle 3 and angle 4. And next angle B. This is whole angle, angle B equal to 360 degree. So angle 1 and angle 2 be angle C. So write angle C and next angle D. Okay, so this is whole angle D equal to 360 degree. Okay, so here which can proofs are verified? The sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, I hope this is clear how to prove the sum of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, and now move to the next topic. Different types of quadrilateral. Okay, I am going to discuss different types of quadrilateral now. And also their property. Okay, different types of quadrilateral. The next topic is different types of quadrilateral. Okay, different types of quadrilateral. So in different types of quadrilateral, the first is parallelogram. Okay, so what is a parallelogram? Okay, so a quadrilateral whose opposite side are equal, a quadrilateral whose opposite pairs of side, a quadrilateral whose opposite both pairs, right? Whose both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Whose both pairs of opposite side are parallel is called a parallelogram. In short form, right? This is short form of parallelogram. It's called parallelogram. Okay, the picture of parallelogram we can show here. Opposite side are parallel. Okay, in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. So this is the diagram of parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Okay. And second types of quadrilateral, rectangle. Okay, rectangle. So as we know, the picture of rectangle, how it look. So the definition of rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree. A parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree is called a rectangle. Okay, a parallelogram becomes rectangle when each angle is 90 degree. So this is the figure of rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay, each angle is 90 degree. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90. Clear? I hope this is clear. And next, rhombus. So a parallelogram whose all sides are equal, it's called rhombus. Okay. A parallelogram, rhombus. A parallelogram whose all sides are equal is called rhombus. Okay, it's called rhombus. So a parallelogram become rhombus when all sides are equal. When this side are equal. So AB, B, C, D. So the parallelogram is called rhombus when all sides are equal. Means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay. Next, square. Okay. So a rectangle whose all sides are equal is called square. Okay. A rectangle whose all sides are equal. Whose all sides are equal is called square. Okay, a rectangle whose all sides are equal is called square. Okay. So this is A, B, C and D. So a rectangle become square when all sides are equal. So here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay, I hope this is clear. And next, different types of quadrilateral. The next quadrilateral is trapezium. Okay, trapezium. So the definition of trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel and other opposite side is unparalleled and other opposite side is unparalleled is called trapezium. Okay, the figure of trapezium is one pair of opposite side are parallel and other pair are non-parallel. Okay, so here in picture we can see one pair means AB and CD is parallel, but AD and BC are unparallel. Okay, so this is trapezium. Next, this trapezium is called isosceles trapezium, whom one pair of opposite side are parallel and non-parallel side are equal. Okay, isosceles trapezium. So dear children, a trapezium is called isosceles trapezium when opposite pairs are parallel, one pair of opposite side are parallel and non-parallel side are equal. Means this side and this side are equal. This quadrilateral is called isosceles trapezium. Means AB parallel to CD, but side AD equal to BC. Okay, this is called isosceles trapezium. And next is kite. Okay, in different types of quadrilateral, next is kites. Okay, so a quadrilateral in which two pair of adjacent side are equal and two pairs of adjacent side are unequal. So a quadrilateral in which one pairs of adjacent sides are equal and other pairs of adjacent sides another two pairs of adjacent sides are unequal. It's called kites. Okay, a quadrilateral in which two pairs of adjacent sides are equal and another is unequal. So we can see the picture. Okay, this is A, B, C, E. So two pairs of adjacent side are equal and two pairs of another are equal. Okay, so this is the inner sum of property in different